Alright, we are clear to go. Everyone pick up your favorite hand and wave goodbye to those skippers on the dock. They don't know it yet, but it's their last day. Bye, guys! What? Oh, I can't hear you. I'm on a boat. If you guys wave over here, bye, everyone! You look ridiculous. There's no one there. Alright, friends, welcome to the world famous Jungle Cruise, where we are world famous for being world famous all around the world. My name is Emily, and I will be your skipper for today. And if you don't laugh at my jokes, I will be your swim instructor. And I can't swim, so raise your hand if you can swim. Alright, great. Those who did not raise their hands, look around. Those are flotation devices. We begin our journey to the Amazon rainforest, where it rains 365 days a year. Did you guys know that's almost every other day? Crazy, I know. And up ahead right here, this is Inspiration Falls. Many people ask us, hey, why is it called Inspiration Falls? And that's because the longer you stare at it, the more it inspires you to go deeper and deeper into the jungle, that is. Everybody say, ooh. Say, ah. Say, Skipper Emily, you're doing amazing. Skipper Emily, you're doing amazing. You guys are so sweet. I'm a middle child. I'll take all the attention I can get. Oh, has anyone not seen the Jungle Book before? Well, just in case you haven't, there it is. You're welcome. Okay, guys, I don't normally do this, but I planned a little surprise party for everyone. Everyone who ever loved and cared about is going to be there. You guys excited? Okay, here we go. Surprise! There's someone here. Good. Just like my 12th birthday. Or did you put them on the It's fine. I don't know, kind of scared them off. I can't see anything. Can you? Oh, okay. That's a pretty big snake. Oh, I know the name of that snake. Starts with a P. It's plastic. That's a plastic snake. Alright, guys, if you guys don't mind, I'm going to stop and get some supplies for my camp. Look on. That's what happens when you leave your door unlocked in the jungle. You know, I couldn't get that car to start earlier, but I guess they got it to turn over. Thanks, guys. And now we have entered the Nile River. It's the longest river in the world. It goes on for miles and miles and miles and miles. And if you don't believe me, well, you're in Africa. The Nile River is in Africa. And ladies and gentlemen, this is your once-in-a-lifetime opportunity to see an African elephant. You'll never see one again. Oh, really? Like I said, you'll never see one again. Over here, I'd like to point out this sandstone rock formation. Many of our guests like to take it for granted, but I truly think it's one of our bolder attractions. I think it rocks. Oh, we have entered the African belt, holder of the African pants, and home to a variety of animals. I don't know those guys, they must be new. Oh, those tall things in the back, those are trees. Oh, I see we have a family of lions enjoying their favorite dish, zebras on the rocks. You know, it must be pretty hard to divvy up that zebra. Light meat, dark meat, light meat, dark meat. I know! Yeah, that zebra looks dead. Tired! Dead tired. We'll let it rest in pieces. Oh, that's crazy. Have you guys seen that over there? I've never seen anything like that before. There must be a million rocks on that beach, right? Crazy, I know. Oh, I have recently learned the names of some of the plants around here. I'd like to share that knowledge with you. Up there, there's the hibiscus. Oh, down there's the low biscuit. The one past that tree over there that you can't see, that's an onion biscuit. The one touching the water right there is a sea biscuit. And, oh, this one right here, that's Karen. Up ahead is beautiful Schweitzer Falls, named after a famous African explorer and the founder of our jungle navigation company, Dr. Albert Walt. You know, many people ask me, Skipper Emily, where do you live? There it is. I know it's a little plain, but it's home. Oh, I got a pretty good deal on it. Half off. And when they found me, they were like, hey, you're going to be a skipper. And I was like, do I have to take a class or something? And they're like, yeah, it's a crash course. You'll get it. Okay, looks like we have entered a hippo pool. Don't worry, guys, if the hippos charge the boat. I don't think they can afford it. Hippos have been known to capsize our boats. Just last week, they capsized 6 of them. Don't worry, guys, we are perfectly safe. Only 5 of those boats were mine. Stay. Stay. I did it. Well, folks, it looks like we are about to enter headhunter territory. Just look at my last cruise. What a bunch of boneheads, right?
Is that your ship too?
Oh. Looks like the natives are doing some type of circle dance. You guys know what that means? They don't know how to square dance.
No, they want to kill us.
I have been told somewhere up ahead of a beautiful plant called an ambush. I have never seen one before. That's lovely. Hey guys! Have you seen an ambush before? Is it like a really big thing being found in the morning? No? No ambush? Sorry guys, maybe next time. And now, ladies and gentlemen, the moment you've been waiting for! The backside of water! Oh, 2-8! No, okay. Oh, 2-8! I guess you guys don't like geography jokes. Sorry.
It was.
Oh, now we've entered the Mekong River. And it looks like we're about to enter a scary temple I've never seen before, so that'll be fun. I have no idea what we're going to find in there. Knowing Disney's probably just another gift shop, but you guys keep your eyes open because I'm going to close mine. This is what happens when you stay in the shower for just way too long. You become an elephant. It almost happened to me once. Just kidding, guys, I don't shower. You know, someone told me it's water coming out of their trunks, but it's not. Oh no, duck, 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 duck. Oops. I'd now like to take this opportunity to point out some of my personal favorite jungle plants. I like that one. I like that one. I don't like that one. Any questions? Moving on, up ahead is my friend Trader Sam. Everyone say hi, Trader Sam. Hi, Sam.
Hi, Trader Sam.
Trader Sam is our headhunter salesman of the jungle, but his business has been shrinking lately. He's got a pretty good deal going on right now. That's 2 of his heads for 1 of yours. Yeah, anyway, you slice it or dice it, you come out ahead. Well, folks, it looks like we're about to enter the most dangerous part of the journey, the return to civilization. And we have laughed together, we've cried together. Boy, oh boy, we very nearly died together. That was awkward. So I'm going to give you guys the same advice that my parents gave me on my 10th birthday. They said, Skipper Emily, and I said, yes, Skipper parents. They said, we love you, but from the bottom of our khaki-colored heart, please, get out.